How do you retrohale a cigar without burning your nose or coughing like a rookie? You keep hearing cigar folks talk about retrohaling, but is it actually worth it? Today I'll show you exactly what retrohaling is, why it's one of the best cigar techniques you'll ever learn, and how to do it step by step. Let's get into it. So first, what even is retrohaling? It's not inhaling, it's not holding smoke in your lungs. Retrohaling simply means gently exhaling cigar smoke through your nose. Sounds small, but it's huge for your flavor experience. Why? Because up to 80% of what you taste is actually what you smell. The nose picks up things the tongue just can't. Think of it like this. Sipping wine is fine, but when you swirl, sniff, and breathe it in, whole different story. Same drink, deeper experience. Same cigar, richer layers. So why bother learning this? Because retrohaling unlocks a part of your cigar you're probably missing. The cedar, leather, coffee, black pepper, even subtle floral notes. They come alive when they pass through your nose. And as you retrohale through different parts of the cigar, the first third, the second third, the final stretch, you start noticing transitions more clearly. You see how the cigar evolves. You're not just puffing, you're tasting in full color. Pair that with coffee, a little rum, or your favorite whiskey, and it becomes a full experience. And you don't have to do it constantly. Every 4 or 5 puffs is plenty. This isn't a test, it's a tool. Now, the real question. How do you actually do it? All right, let's walk through it. No pressure, no coughing. 1, take a small draw. Not a full mouthful, just a gentle pull. 2, let the smoke sit in your mouth for a second. 3, close your mouth and then gently push the smoke up and out through your nose. Think soft sigh, not fire hose. 4, that's it. Think of it like a slow exhale after sipping tea. Calm, steady, natural. Your first few times, keep it light. 1 retrohale per session is plenty. Let your body get used to it. Start with a mild or medium cigar, something creamy and forgiving. Sip water or coffee in between to keep your palate clean. Want cigars that make retrohaling easier and more rewarding? Here are 5 from our own humidor that work beautifully. Number 1, Nub Connecticut 354. Short, mellow, creamy, a fantastic trainer cigar for control and balance. 2, Tabac Especial Medio Robusta by Drew Estate. Coffee infused, smooth and aromatic, your nose will thank you. 3, the Cohiba Singler 2. Light medium body with elegant floral notes, subtle retrohale, very forgiving. 4, Monte Cristo No. 4 Cuban Classic. Smooth, earthy, with that old school richness, great for noticing transitions. 5, Juan Lopez Lexion No. 2. Another Cuban gem, slightly stronger than the Monte, but with complexity that pops on the nose. All right, let's fix what most people get wrong. Don't inhale into your lungs. Seriously, that's not retrohaling, that's just pain. Don't try to retrohale a full draw, it stings. Start with small amounts. Avoid strong cigars early on, save those for later. And don't retrohale on your first puff. Wait until the cigar gets warm. You want the flavors to settle in. Now some troubleshooting. Burns your nose? Try a smaller draw. Tastes like nothing? Go slower. Maybe switch to a more aromatic cigar. Still not working? That's okay. Give it time. Your palate and technique build with practice. Remember, you're here to taste, not torture your sinuses. Retrohaling isn't about proving anything. It's about experiencing cigars on a different level. Once you unlock it, you won't look back. So now, I want to hear from you. What cigar helped you finally nail your retrohale? Or are you still working up the nerve to try it? Let's talk in the comments. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out our full playlist, especially if you're ready to take your smoking experience to the next level. See you